If it's a winner, it will be a small winner. If it is a loser, it is going to be a bigger loser. Today we have all sort of psychological factors. Good trade in the morning. It went to stop loss. The second attempt, there was a good setup identified. Unfortunately, that trade went to hit the target without us there. And now you see the slippage with a higher price. Good morning, all. Today is 15th April, Wednesday. Time is around 9:45. Uh, the previous candle is showing some good aggression by the buyers. So good big candle of nearly 60 points and nearly closing at the VWAP. There are some good aggression, good delta shown by that buyers. Now let's see if we're getting a follow up to it. So for the time being, I'll be looking at upside opportunities. Let's see if we can figure something out. Okay, I'll update. I'm gonna mark out some dynamic reference levels. Basically, I'm gonna look out for some high delta, high volume nodes. If you look at here, right, like this 1.6K contracts being traded on the uh, buyer side. So I'm just gonna mark that level. Probably gonna act as an immediate resistance. Sorry, and slightly below there is around 1.3K contracts again traded on the uh, buying side. So as of now, these levels can act as potential resistance. I can see already prices reacting to it. The point is to just let us, aware that these levels are here, and once we see a good candle close around those levels, probably it's better to look for a setup at that point of time. So let's see how that goes. And yeah, it's currently it's even trying to close below the VWAP, but the previous candle buyers have stepped in. Really, they've shown some strength. So I hope they might defend. If not, it's going to come down heavily because there's good bunch of buyers on there, and if they're gonna fail, obviously their stop losses are gonna lay around the day low level, and if that's getting triggered, that's gonna add further to the lower selling pressure. So hopefully, I think we might get some support around the first band deviation of the VWAP, where currently the price is selling, is trading. Let's see. Yeah, it's getting a push, a slight push from the VWAP boundaries. On top of it, there are actually on the previous candle these levels, right? That can also act as a immediate support. Actually, if you look at it, there was some good buying happened on that level, which was actually sustained until now. They are in the game, which means if price is going to come down, the guys who have placed the orders over there probably going to defend it. So yeah, that's why I just marked the level there. It's not a level, probably it's going to be a zone around that level. They may come back again, try to defend it if the plan is to take that price higher up. So what we can do is we can just wait and see how it's going to react around those zones, and based on which now you see there's some support happening anyway. Price is going to try and trying to push through those zone, but it's not happening. It's getting bounce every time it's coming in there. So let's wait and see what's going to happen over there. All right. The time is around 10 o'clock now, and the price is now sustaining above the VWAP, trying to take support from the VWAP exactly, and trying to actually close above the zone which we marked. I I hope actually it might try to push higher. So I'm trying to look for a call side entry. Uh, I'm currently looking at 24,100 CE, just waiting for this 1 minute candle to just close. Mm, all right, I'm in. Okay, there's a push. Just trying to, okay. It's trying to get, see, there's a, okay. Hmm, I'll add the SL. Let's see. In case if there's a failure, it's just quickly going to reverse. And we don't have much points in the SL point. It's just 305 is going to be, oh, I think the SL is triggered. Yeah. All right, that's okay. Now again, it's going to sustain above the gap. It's okay. Yeah, this was the plan actually. The 10 o'clock candle. That's what I identified as my entry point. But yeah, so now it's trying to take a reversal from here. Not sure. We'll wait and see. Exactly, the top zone has rejected. It, the candle was not able to actually close above the first zone. Actually, that's fine. We'll wait. And yeah, it's a back to back closes again. I think it's sixth, seventh one on a row. Yeah, that's fine. I'll do a quick journal and then probably get back. Okay. Yeah. It's 10:05. Now the candle has literally closed at the top zone and also trying to go up, trying to break out of the VWAP's first band deviation. So I'm trying to get into an entry on the call side, same 24,100. Um, I just wanted to see the a dip in the option chart. Just waiting for it because it has actually pushed higher. So if I'm gonna punch in the trade, it's going to be literally on a higher price, which I don't want it to. So I will wait for the price to come back to my levels. I'll wait. I'll get the charts. Yeah. So then I'll get the RR2. So this is where I wanted around 311. That's where I got the signal. Oh, it's going to push higher. So if the price is going to come back to 311 odd levels, I'm going to enter actually. I will wait. I'll wait. Uh, yeah, but looks like it might go up. The aggression is really good on the buying side. Okay, now we're getting a dip. Probably let it 312 around. Mm, will it give me a dip? I don't know. Yeah, there is no need of actually showing any FOMO. If the trade is leaving without it, it's fine. I just need to wait for the next valid setup. Yeah, it feels bad because you have identified an opportunity, and unfortunately, you were not able to be a part of that. That really feels bad. But it takes some time for your brain to get settled with that and not to chase it. In case on a chase, if you enter and you got a very higher price, probably what's going to happen is in case see that that went up. That's okay. The trade went hit to the TP without us. Now, yeah, now this trade is actually done, and there's no point. Even if it is coming down to 311, I'm not going to consider it. I'm going to consider the trade done. We'll wait for the next setup. Yeah, that's it because actually it was back to back seven SLs, and this trade was actually supposed to give me a profit. Uh, it's supposed to help me break out of the losing streak, but yeah, what to do? Yeah, that's fine. I'll update if I find another setup. I'm gonna wait. All right. Yeah. It's 10:18, and we might get another opportunity now on the call side. It's trying to get a support from the VWAP first band deviation. I'm trying to push higher. Just looking at a call option. I'm still on the 24,100 C. So good aggression is shown there. I hope it might give a breakout. Yeah, I'm just getting ready. Okay, I'm in with my first quantity. Think I got it at a higher price. So there's a slippage. 330. Okay. I was expecting it to come around 326 change, but think there was some slippage. Let's see. Yeah, I got it at 329.85. It's like 2 rupees. So everything is happening today. I'll add the SL one sec. 320. It's fine. The target will be, I think, it's 338 point, what was that, 95. All right. Okay. So yeah, this is where I placed the trade actually, but there was some sort of slippage there. Now let's wait if the price is going to give a dip around 326 levels. I'll add the second quantity. I'll wait anyway. Let's wait. The good part is the option 1 minute candlesticks. If you see, right, almost all of them are actually are sustaining above the EMI. So which is good. Which shows like there is some sort of a momentum. Most of the time, there is actually a follow through for the most of the aggression shown here. So which gives me some sort of a confidence on the upside. So anyway, let's see if it's going to give a dip. We are happy to add. Yeah, as of now, we are kind of like 10K, around 10K loss. Unfortunately, we had a slip. Okay, I think it's coming down. I'll try to. Okay, I've added the second leg as well. So yeah, so I'm in with the full quantity. Anyway, this trade, there's some oh, okay, it's already 19-20,000, which means if unfortunately if it's gonna hit my stop loss, it's going to be a bigger one. Similarly, if it's gonna hit my target, I won't get my regular 22K here because of the slippage we had at the entry. And also now we have to consider the slippage if at all it's going to happen at the exit as well. So realistically, we might, yeah, if it's a winner, it will be a small winner. If it is a loser, it is going to be a bigger loser. So today we have all sort of psychological factors literally playing on. Uh, there was some sort of a good trade in the morning. It went to stop loss, and then there was like the second attempt. There was a good setup identified. Unfortunately, that trade went to hit the target without us. Yeah, it showed all the FOMO things there, and now you see there's some slip. We got an entry, but slippage with a higher price, which means to hold the trade till the exit points. I mean, on especially on the higher side, right? Now we'll have to actually needs to be disciplined. We have to stick to the process. Let's see. It's really hard. Okay, we kind of covered all the losses now. Okay, if it can give a breakout from this level, might give us a push. One shot if can go. Okay, 335. Okay, we are in positive now. 4,000 up. Come on, come on. One push. Just 3 more rupees. That's it. 335, 336.5. And to 336.5. I don't want to see the scandal getting fizzled out now. Yeah, it is not easy. Market won't give you easy money. It's going to test you to the core. That's there, right? The previous setup, right, where we were not able to find an entry that easily and smoothly went to the target. Only thing is we were not there. Now once we got the entry here, now you see how the candle is struggling. Yeah. No, we can't blame anyone, but that's how it is actually. You'll have to go through all these sort of testing things. And this is going to be the last trade for the day because I only take 2 trades each day. That's something I kept as a part of my risk management. What we need to see is if the price is going to sustain above the EMA, which is going to give us some sort of a confidence again. I think as of now, it's doing it. See, once you punched in, usually what I do, right? Once I identified a setup and I marked my entry exit points, I don't really much do with the other factors. I leave it to the mathematics, simple mathematics. If I'm going to risk 10,000, I'll plan where I'm going to get 20,000. So I mark my exit points based on that. And usually I don't do anything in between. Provided I have some conditional stuffs, like say some in some point of time there are some obvious things you noticed in the order flow, like some huge selling orders came all of a sudden. What do you say? Some round numbers, psychological figures at sport. So those sort of things probably, yeah, some exceptions. And also, I used to keep a time limit, like 15 to 20 minutes. That's what max I saw. The time limit where I saw were the trade runs. So these are the exceptions. Apart from that, I tend to maintain the process where I only exited the predefined exit points. So I'm gonna just let it run. It's literally testing the patience. Like almost everything is there today's sessions. It's gonna test the patience. Literally, it's gonna test the patience. No, I'm not going to exit in between. I'll wait. Again back to 10. Okay, that's it was showing 10K negative, and all of a sudden 5K. Some good push again. Okay, it's trying to give a breakout. Okay, there's a good one. Can it give the target now this time? If it is not happening, that is going to be a problem. It's probably going to trap. So I hope this time okay, good one. Uh, just a little more. 336, 337, 338. Come on, 338.1. Just a little. That's it. 338, 338.5. All right, fine. All right. So that is a very good trade. Finally, we got it. And yeah, done for the day with 8,000 profit. All right. So yeah, I'm done for the day. So see you tomorrow. Till then, stay calm and trade safely. Okay. Bye bye.